Including corporate branding in your video content is crucial for building brand identity and recognition. Here are 5 tips on how to do it effectively. Use your brand colors, logo, and fonts consistently throughout the video. This reinforces your brand identity and makes your content instantly recognizable. Start and end your video with a branded intro and outro. A short animation featuring your logo and tagline sets a professional tone and leaves a lasting impression. Add a subtle watermark of your logo in the corner of your video. This keeps your brand visible without being intrusive. Design your video thumbnails using your brand colors, design, and style. Thumbnails are often the first impression viewers get, so a well-branded thumbnail can attract attention and boost your brand's visibility. Incorporate brand messaging. Your video should not only look like your brand, but also sound like it. Include key phrases, slogans, or value propositions that are associated with your brand. Ready to create branded videos? Click on the link and let us show you how easy it is to do this in SimpleShow Video Maker.